What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Dave. I own a 2004 C5 Corvette, so if you're into Corvette content, especially C5 content, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Now, it is absolutely pouring outside today, but I wanted to give you guys an update on two things. One, I have a giveaway here for Speed Bleeder, and number two, there's 2 days left in the virtual car show entry. So if you still want to enter the virtual car show, you still have 2 more days. I will close entries on Wednesday night, December 2nd. So you still have 2 days to get your entries in. So far, I think we have like 34 total entries, 11 in the Target tops, 11 in the Z06s, I think 6 verts, and 7 or 8 in the open category, whether they're C6s, C4s, C3s, 1C2, or something totally different like a Ford Mustang. We got one of those as well. So again, still have 2 days. Now, probably the reason why you clicked on this video, I have here a Hinson Motorsports Speed Bleeder to give away to one of you. I had a subscriber reach out to me. He had ordered one, but they accidentally sent him 2. Obviously, he only needed 1, so he decided to donate it to the channel and have me give it away to one of you. So since many of you know I have an automatic, I have no need for this. Hopefully one of you guys do. So if you want to win this, all you have to do is comment down below and include in your comment Speed Bleeder, and that will automatically enter you into the giveaway for this Speed Bleeder. This just makes bleeding your slave cylinder a lot easier than trying to get up underneath the car and bleeding it that way. So if you are doing any clutch work in the near future, definitely recommend putting one of these in just to help that process out when you are changing or flushing your clutch fluid. This will save you a lot of time and headache in doing so. If you want to see a demonstration on how much easier this makes bleeding your clutch, I'm going to leave a link up here to a video from Toys for Life. Ken goes over how great these speed bleeders really are and how much time they really do save you. So go ahead, click on that video, or I will leave that a link down in the description for you to check that video out. So with that, guys, that's the end of the video. Again, if you want to win this Speed Bleeder, make sure you comment down below Speed Bleeder, and you will be entered into the Speed Bleeder giveaway. I'll leave this giveaway go for almost 2 weeks. The giveaway will end on December 12th at 7:32 p.m. And at 7:32 p.m. on that day, I will announce who the winner is for the Speed Bleeder. So good luck to everybody. And don't forget, if you want to enter into the virtual car show, make sure you submit your video to me by Wednesday night, and I will get you into it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.